How to use Minecraft gift card on PC. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll teach you on how to use a Minecraft gift card on your PC. It's a quick and easy process, so follow along. Redeeming a Minecraft gift card for a full game, a real subscription, or even mine coins is simple. All redemption types and options are available on the Minecraft website. In order to start, go to the minecraft.net in the web browser and sign into the Microsoft account where you will redeem the gift card. It's really crucial to sign into your correct Microsoft account as redeemed gift cards can't be transferred later. Use the option at the top right corner to sign in and double check the account. Once signed in, click on Get Minecraft or use the Redeem option at the top right corner. And upon clicking the Redeem option, you'll see various redemption options like Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition, Minecraft Legends, Minecraft Realms, and more. In order to redeem your Minecraft gift card, select the specific option, input the gift code, and click Submit. Confirm your Microsoft account, and once redeemed to a valid account, you'll have the access to the content. You can repeat this process for multiple redemptions. So this is basically on how can you use your Minecraft gift card on PC. I hope this guide on using a Minecraft gift card on PC was helpful. If you found this video to be useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.